Hi and welcome to the unboxing of Yeelight Smart Bath Heater. This device is available on AliExpress and various other sites. Even though they started sending it recently, they really didn't have it on stock. If you're buying this from the European Union, you should pay attention that it's shipped by DHL because or EU priority line with other sites because that's the only way you won't be paying customs. So as you can see here, the shipping price is only like $16, but by DHL it is 47. But of course, it's always better to ship it with DHL because of the customs issues. So let's unpack this thing and see what's inside. It's a pretty big package, as you can see, but I was surprised to see how light it is. It's around 7 kilograms, so carrying it shouldn't be a problem. And also I was concerned how I'm going to install it in the ceiling, but seems like that won't be a problem since any holder will be able to hold it. It's like 6.9 kilos without the box. Okay. There. So as you can see, it says Yeelight here. Everything is in Chinese. Even the name of the thing is in Chinese, so we won't know its original name. We will know its code, manufacturer's code. And on this side of the box, handle with care, and code, barcode, QR code. Okay, let's open and see if it arrived in one piece. This thing took like 2 weeks to arrive from China, and it was shipped by DHL Germany. Door delivery, which is really convenient. You don't have to go to the post office, and also you don't have to pay the customs. Probably it's so expensive that the custom is already paid. Okay, so here is something which says Yeelight in Chinese, and here's the thing. This on top seems to be only the panel. What else is there? We have some plastic things which are used to collect the air. I will be packing them again because I will be installing it in a couple of days when the electrician comes. So there's a small instruction manual here. A box with 2 screws. We'll see later what's. And here is the machine. The heavy part, which is not that heavy, but still is hard to handle because of its size. Okay. So, pop. So, this thing here is just something that you can, oh, really nice, expandable, and it's used to connect, so you won't need your own thing. See here, it can be tightened and probably installed directly to the machine. Okay, that's nice. So what else is here? Nothing, probably just the machine which should go into the ceiling. Let's take the protective bag off. So there it is. I will have to measure it. There is some schematics here, how to connect it probably. As you can see, there's only QC pass label at the bottom, nothing else. And I'll just move the box away so you can see it better. So there it is. So how this is installed into the ceiling, I have no idea. There is a connector here and a warning in Chinese, and my cat doesn't seem to like something. Here is the air exhaust. And this thing here, hard to tell what it's used for. I will have to look at the instruction manual. I'm not even sure which side is up, which side is down. Probably goes like this. So let me get the meter and measure it and see if I need to sell it or I can install it onto my ceiling. Okay, so here's the meter. And the height that you need is exactly this item here, exactly 14.5 centimeters. 14.5 centimeters. And they say it's 16 because it also has this part, which is a cover which goes on top of your, that's the only part you can actually see. And that's probably, yeah, that's the connector. That's the connector that should go into the device. I didn't see any AC cables or AC stuff. It's probably under. But all in all, it's pretty small, pretty lightweight for a device that does such things. Here is the LED panel inside. There's the LCD display. And this looks like a button, so you can probably turn it off or on without the remote control. Okay, and I suppose that you have to put AC wires here. So this thing is probably something to lock it into place once you assemble it. Okay, and there was one small box which I left somewhere to examine at a later time. So this is the box. This is probably the remote control. Let's look at the instruction manual first. The instruction manual is of course in Chinese, but let's hope the pictures are enough to install it. And if not, I will have to use Google Translate with Chinese OCR. I really hoped that the remote control doesn't have any Chinese letters, but it seems that it does. We'll find out in a moment, but it probably does. Aha! These screws are somehow magnetized. Okay, let's open this thing. This is the remote controller, which you can just glue onto the wall and control this device. It probably works on standard CR2432, I think it was, or vice versa. I'm not sure. Battery, as all Acura and other Xiaomi devices. So let's see this thing. There's a sticker so you can glue it. And this is the remote control. Aha, that's why. Because you only glued this and you can take remote control with yourself or put it someplace else and then just click it onto the wall. So this is just like a magnetic holder. You can either glue it or screw it with these screws. Okay, and it can be opened. I'm not sure what's inside. I don't suppose there's anything, but it's only when you need to screw it onto the wall, so you can screw this plate and then put it together. There's a small Yeelight text here. And this is the remote with Chinese letters. Let me see if there's any protective film over it. There doesn't seem to be. There doesn't seem to be. It's pretty weird feeling. It's not like a typical clicky. Let's try to open it to see what kind of battery is inside. I'm not sure whether I should push or just press this down. Doesn't matter, but it's really nice, really nice. So you can just screw the plate and this is how it looks. For the time being, I would say that the labels are pretty dim. But who knows? I don't suppose they are lit or anything because that would consume too much battery. But we'll see how it works. It can be controlled by mobile phone as well. So that's about it for unboxing. I will be taping the installation process as well and the final results. So I'll see you in a few days. Thanks for watching, and if you like my unboxings and presentations and videos, please subscribe and let my channel grow. See you.